How to add your high school on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your high school on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down until you find settings, and then go down here. You will find profile information. Click on it and here just click add high school and type your high school name here and just click on a high school you want and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.